Hello everyone, I'm sure you're curious of the immigration procedure or the documents that you have to prepare if you are going outside of the country. So gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na pag government employee kayo at na-declare nyo na before nung lumabas kayo na isa kayong empleyado ng gobyerno, automatic po makikita na ng immigration officer na isa kayong empleyado ng gobyerno and therefore hahanapan niya na kayo ng travel authority. Ang sabi ng IO sa akin na travel authority is just a secondary document. What you need to present really is a leave form. A leave form should be signed by the human resources and approved by your supervisor. So, ang pangalawang document na hanapin nila is yung authority to travel, which is also should be approved and signed by your highest supervisor. If you are working in a state university, it could be the president. Alright, pakinote, dapat approve ang nakalagay at hindi recommending approval. Pangatlong hahanapin is your company ID. Of course, kailangan niyang malaman kung talagang nagtatrabaho ka sa specific na yon na agency na iyong sinabi. At syempre, huwag mong kakalimutan ang iyong return ticket kasi isa rin po yun sa mga hinahanap to assure them na babalik ka ng Pilipinas.